Are you tired of searching high and low for that iconic Barbie pink to use on your furniture refinishing projects? Well, my friends, I have got some exciting news for you. Hello, I'm Grace. I'm the creative force behind Uniquely Grace Designs and the Furniture Refinishing Academy. And today in this video right here, we are diving headfirst into the world of color mixing and unlocking the secret recipes to achieve the perfect Barbiecore Dream House colors using Dixie Belle Paint Company brand chalk paint. From that classic Barbie pink to the dreamy aqua and everything in between, I have got you covered. We are coming out today with 5 Barbie Dream House colors with Dixie Belle paints. Before we jump into the magical world of color mixing, make sure you stay to the end because I'm revealing the iconic Barbie pink. It's the ultimate Barbiecore pink that's going to elevate your furniture projects to the next level, as this color scheme goes wild throughout the furniture industry. So here's the recipe to make your Barbiecore dreams come true.
Let's dive into the color mixing here. So I did bring in a brand new Barbie so that I could match the colors as exactly as possible between the ones that are in the packaging and the marketing of the Mattel brand. Here are the items that I use when I'm color mixing. I use Ziploc bags to mix everything because I can quickly seal it and store them regularly. When planning recipes, I always mix small amounts first to test the color. So I have a set of measuring spoons, a spatula to help mix up the paint within the baggies, and I have my Mixing the Perfect Color paint cards that are free printables on my website. On the back of these, I've put a color swatch of the original colors that I will be tweaking so I have some reference. We're going to start with the Playful Plum color, and this Playful Plum begins with Secret Path, which is the original Dixie Belle color that we will be adjusting to match the Barbiecore colors. I am adding Amethyst and Fluff to get the exact color that we need. All right, it's time to check this color against the Barbie marketing, and it looks like it matched. Here we go. Moving on to the new Malibu Sunrise color, I am beginning with the base of Dixie Belle's Daisy color, and I'm adding Fluff. Daisy is just slightly off. It's not very far from what we need for the Malibu Sunrise. And now we'll be moving on to Mermaid Lagoon. We're beginning with Dixie Belle's Dixie Belle Blue as the base. We'll be adding Fluff and Daisy to get more of an aqua tone, as that is the Malibu Dream House Barbie color. I do believe we've got it, matching it up to the Barbie packaging, and I'm really happy with that third color. So now we're going to go on to Runway Rose. This is that soft ballet pink that typically comes with the sweeter Barbies, like the dance Barbies or even Skipper, things like that. So we're starting off with Dixie Belle's soft pink. We're going to be adding Fluff, Dixie Belle Blue, and Peony, the brighter pink that we'll be using later on the iconic Barbie pink. After lightening it up a little bit, I think we found our color here. Let me test it. Yeah, that looks just about right. Moving on to Dreamhouse Pink. This is the iconic Barbie pink you've all been waiting for, and I am so excited to share with you this recipe. We begin this recipe using the base of peony. I'll be adding soft pink to lighten it up a little bit. I do later try adding cobalt to this, but it turns it too purpley, so I wind up going with the second choice here. And that's what color mixing is all about, is making sure you find the right shade. One last step when creating my color samples is I take a sealer and I seal half of the dried oval. This allows me to see what the sealer will interact with the paint color and get the final result. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's go back once the sealers are dry and choose the shade that I like best. So with the Playful Plum, I did like the final result of the very last color I mixed together, which is 2 parts Secret Plum, 1 part Amethyst, and 1 part Fluff. For Malibu Sunrise, my first mix was exactly what we needed, and that is 1 part Daisy and 1 part Fluff. For Mermaid Lagoon, the third mix was the best one at 6 part Dixie Belle Blue and half a part Daisy and 1 part Fluff. For Runway Rose, I have 12 parts soft pink, 1/2 part Dixie Belle Blue, 1 part peony, and 2 parts fluff. For the Barbie Dream House Pink, I have chosen the second selection, not the last, so I had to remix this to create the sample for the final color swatch. But it is ready for this. 6 parts peony and 1 part soft pink. That made the best Barbie pink out of the Dixie Belle line.
And those are your Dixie Belle Barbiecore paint colors. These colors are not just pigments. They are a piece of history, part of our nostalgia. It's a splash of personality and a reflection of your creativity. Feel free to mix and match any of these colors to create your Barbie furniture. Because when you mix, match, and explore, the combinations are endless. Remember, these recipes are my gift to you, and I'm thrilled to share my passion for color mixing and color theory with you in videos like this. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like this video so I can create more content for you. Also in the comments, if you'd like me to mix any specific color with any brand of paint that you love, please let me know so that I can help you out with your project. Thank you so much for watching me. I'm Grace with Uniquely Grace and the Furniture Refinishing Academy. I wish you all the best for your success. Ciao. We'll see you next time.